First, we start with an idea. Working together with the client, we learn their product. Then, drawing from our wealth of experience and the creative ability of our team, we suggest the possibilities. Design, engineering, manufacturing, shipping, warehousing, and installation is all done under one roof. Our location is outfitted with state-of-the-art technology as well as the most skilled workers in the industry. We are capable of producing the highest quality solutions for any retail setting. Whether it's a unique display or an adaptable solution, we help our customers achieve their potential. By keeping the entire process in-house, we give the client more control over the project. At UPC, we create more than just displays. We create environments.